Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel SalesforceHunt. So today I'm going to show you like Salesforce Code Builder is still in beta, but you can create this environment in the sky, right? So this is a very powerful tool. If you are wondering like installation all the software like VS Code, Salesforce Extension Pack, Salesforce CLI, Node.js, Java, NPM, everything, right? So no need worry about to install each and every software, because this code editor will be available in the sky, right? So here let me introduce first of all here what is Salesforce Code Builder. So before that, if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel SalesforceHunt for more updates like this. And here this is a web-based tool from Salesforce to support developer to develop, check in and deploy their components easily from any devices without the overhead of the Visual Studio Code installation and setup. Okay, so this is like code builder. Now how to set up it? Now first of all let me introduce first of all this one. Currently this is in beta version and available as a managed package in AppExchange. This can be installed in a production environment, sandbox and developer instances, right? So you can install any environment as you want. So how to set up? So this is the link, AppExchange Installation Link. I will post this link into the comment section, and you can download this code builder right from AppExchange. So here let me open this link. So how is it look like? So now let me open here. Click enter, and once you enter it, it's automatic redirect into the AppExchange, right? And you can download from AppExchange because this option is available right now. So based on this requirement we can install it and we can work accordingly. Now you can see this one that is called Code Builder Beta, and you have to click on this get it now, right? And you can create your environment like this. So this is the link. Right now, after that, once you install it, now how to configure it? Now you can see this can be installed into your org, and once the installation is complete, if you want to give access to additional user, the code builder permission set can be assigned to those user, right? So how to do that? Let me show you, right? So here, once you install it, first of all you have to go into the setup and search here that is called permission set. So just click on this permission set here, and just search code builder. Now you can see the code builder. Just you have to click on this code builder, click on this manage assignment, and now you have to add assignment. So just you have to click on this add assignment and choose your user. So I am a system administrator, that's why I already chose it. So now you can see in the list my name here, right? So this is the prerequisite. First of all, once you done it, now you will be see this environment. So I will show you under the app launcher. You have to search like code builder because it's an application, right? So just click on this code builder here, and once you open it, now you can see this button that is called get started, right? In your case you will not get this one because it's taking maybe like 1 day or 24 hours or 19 hours. Okay, so just click on this get started button, and now here you can see the two options, right? So I already mentioned in my step like get started, and you will be get an option to create a new project from scratch or from the GitHub based on your need. So let me click on this, click on new project and give the details. So let me click on new project, and it's asking like project name. Let's say my demo project, and you have to select like empty, standard or analytics. So I am choosing this option that is called standard, same like as a VS Code, right? After that you have to click on this next button, and here you can see like connected development org or sandbox. Based on your requirement you can choose it. So now you can see like connect an org, right? So just click on this connect an org. So let me click on this connect an org. Let me click this current logged user, and here you can see like allow access. So you have to click on this allow access first of all, right? So here you can see allow access. Now let me click on this allow access, and once you give it allow access, now our org is successfully connected, and now you can see the org successfully connected message. So you will be see like here, now you can see click on the next and give the here, and you will be see the connected org, right? Just click on the next, and it's asking like alias name. So select development org and login allows to access, we already done. Now it's a 7-step, click on the next and give an alias name. Also like dev org 1, because I already created one org, so that's why dev org 1, click on the create, and it's automatic create me one dev org. Now you can see this dashboard, just focus on this dashboard, and here you can see 20 hours remaining, expire 15 August, because it's a trial version. Okay, so you can test it, and you can work accordingly. After maybe this month or maybe next month, it's fully like functional, GA, generally available. Now you can see my demo project, my project name is creating date, and last like access is never. So it's creating the environment, it's taking some time. You can see some processes going on. After some time you will be see like launch button here. Okay, so we will see like a launch button here after some time. So here you can see the 9-step launch the project, we will see this one, and once the button will be come, then you have to click on this, like this will open a new tab with the code builder, and we are ready to get started with our development. Okay, so it's taking some time. So for time being, let me introduce the features. What is the features of the code builder? So here you can see the features. So in this feature, the connecting org will be set as a default org. Code builder guides, you can see these all options under code builder, I will show you. And here you can see the extension. So these all extension by default available under the code builder. Let's say Apex interactive debugger, Apex replay debugger, Aura component, code builder, ESLint, LWC, Preator, and Salesforce CLI, Salesforce extension pack, SLDS validator, SQL, Visual Force Ways, and XML. So these all extension by default available under the code builder. So no need worry about like every time you have to install the separate extension, no. So it's automatic provided by the Salesforce, so don't worry. So here you can see the org browser. This is the features, and testing purpose, you can click the left panel and you will be see like bottleneck icon, and just click on this icon and you can execute your test classes under here. And after that you can select connecting to repository. If you have like any repository and if you want to clone it and if you want to connect it, so you can choose this option. Then 7 is like SOQL builder. So SOQL builder, basically you know very well to execute the query in the fly. So this is the another tool. And finally deployment and retrieval from your org, right? So these all features available under here. So it's taking some time, so wait for some time. So now guys, you can see here like launch button, right? Just focus on this launch button here. Once you configure everything, you will be see like a launch button in your case, right? So just click on this launch button, and once you click on this launch button, it's taking some time, okay, to configure your project, like how to launch the project. Now you can see it's a automatic open the VS Code here, and you can see the different URL, right? And now you can see here that is called VS Code under the web browser, right? Now it's time to do like how to authorize our org. Now this is the guide and you can learn from here, right? So here you can see like code builder guide. So based on your need you can learn from here, like this is the code builder here, right? And now first of all we have to authorize our org. So how to authorize our org? Just Ctrl+P and just search here authorize an org. So just click on this one. Right now I'm using production environment, so just click on this one, and here you can also the alias name we already set up, but no need to worry about to authorize here. Let me check it's working or not. Now here you can see Apex highlighted, everything you can see same like VS Code, This is the file explorer, search, like source control, debugger, and extension. You can see all the extension here. This is the extension, right? This is for testing, and this is the org browser, right? So here you can see the org browser. You can manage each and every things here, right? Now under here you will see the org browser. This is the org browser, right? So just click on this org browser. Now you can see all the metadata under my org, right? So open default org. So just click on this open default org. Now you can see it's a automatic open my org, right? Here you can see. So now you can work accordingly here. So how to do that? So under here now you can see successfully opened here. So now let me create one LWC component and let's see what's happened. So under the force app, right, you can see the LWC folder. Let me create one LWC component here. Let's say create lightning web component. Now you can see the command, right? So just click this one, and this is like hello world, right? Just click on enter, set the default directory. Now you can see here that is called my component is created successfully here. That is called this one. Now what we need to do, so first of all let me design some HTML. This is the template, you know very well, and let me add like card here, like a lightning card, or just here let's say card or lightning card. This is the lightning card, right? And here you can see this closed here, and you can give the title based on your need. Let's say title, and title is like a hello world, right? So here after that you have to give any div as you want. Like say this div, under this div I want to write something. Let's say this is and welcome, like welcome to code builder web based IDE, right? And I need some SLDS here because I need some margin. So SLDS, if you type SLDS and let's say margin, let me check margin, so it's not coming here. So you can go ahead here, let's go on lightning design system, and here you can find out that is called margin. So once you search margin, just click on this margin, and now I want to medium margin, right? Around medium margin. So here you can see small, medium, like this. So just let me copy this SLDS, paste it here, let me save it, and you have to update it. So how to update it? Now you can see the design token, new design token where, right? So let me save it, and how to deploy that? Same process as we already discussed in VS Code with Salesforce. So just you have to click on this deploy to source org. Now you can see deployment processing is going on. What has happened here? Because we already have this type of component. Okay, so let me delete this component first of all, and here you can see processing is going on here. Now you have to do what? Create a new LWC component. Let's say LWC, let's say demo comp, right? Enter. Or let's say I want to create LWC component that is called code builder demo, right? Hit the enter, and now you can see my component is created now here, right? So how to design this HTML? You can see 3 files by default is created, like HTML, JS, and metadata file XML. And after that you have to give like lightning hyphen card. Okay, or one more thing, if you don't know about this tag, so just go ahead here, component library, and here you can find out the card. So just under the component reference guide you have to search like card. So once you search this card, just click on this card, and this is the basic card, right? So just copy this code from here to here, let's say this one, right? Let me copy it and paste it here in my template, right? So let me remove rest of the code, and here I need to give one div. Under this div I want to write something. Let's say welcome to code builder web based IDE. Okay, so once you save it, now you have to deploy this component. So how to deploy? Now you can see the same process. So let me deploy this component and let's see what happened. So here you can see successfully deployment, right? Deployed successfully. Now how to open this component? So just let me open my org. I already opened my org here, and let me open any app as we have. Let's say sales application, or before that let me configure metadata file. So here you can see the false, so you have to make it is a true, and after that you have to use like targets, right? Like targets. So under this target we have targets, right? So how to find out this target? Here let's say target. So you have to write like target. Under this target you have to use like target first, right? Target, and here you have to see like target, let's say app page, home page, right? You can add based on your need this metadata file, like a configuration file, lightning app page, record page, home page, community page, flow builder, anything as you have. So let me save it. Again you have to deploy this component, right? So same process you can see is going on, and now you can see successfully deployed. And now under my org let me open any application as we have. Let's say sales application we have, and here let me add that component. So let me click on this edit page, minimize this one. Now you can see the demo. This is the demo in LWC, right? LWC marker, but I cannot see my component, right? So my component name is like code builder, this one, right? So how to open this org? First of all let me check again, and this is the for like app page, or I want to show this app page here, right? And under here, or just you can configure based on your need. So let's say open my org. First of all open default org. Now you can see my org is open now, and here you can open any application as you want. Let's say Deltec. I want to take this Deltec. Under here I want to add that page, so just click on edit page. This is the application page, right? So just here you can see like code builder demo, right? Just drag and drop anywhere as you want. Let's say this one, save it, and just go back, and you will be see that is called hello, welcome to code builder web based IDE, right? I need some design because you can see here text is here near this border. So how to give the margin here? So you can give this margin under HTML file. You have to give here, let's say class, SLDS class. Under this SLDS class let me type SLDS, anything is coming, yeah, SLDS, and after that you have to use like margin, you have to use this one, and you have to update this SLDS class. So let me save it and let me deploy again, and let's see what happened. So let me deploy this code and let's see. Okay, so once you deploy this code, let me show you the output here. Let me refresh it. Now you can see text is having some space between this border and this card and this text, right? So it's look like good. So this is the way to work on this web based IDE that is called code builder in Salesforce. So guys, I hope you learned something new. If you learn something new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and share among your friends, colleagues, because it's a very most important for us. If you are a Salesforce developer, so you can share this knowledge among the pupils. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya.